देखने आया है और आप लोगों से इंटरेक्शन करने आया है। एंड आई थिंक सर फर्स्ट टाइम आ रहा है हम लोग का यहाँ पे, तो वाइस सिक्योरिटी पे हम लोग थोड़ा सा अपना जो एजेंडा है उसको आप लोग सभी को बता देंगे। सो आज का जो एजेंडा है प्रोग्राम का, वेलकम डांस बाय द स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम स्पीच बाय डॉक्टर राव मैडम, एंड उसके बाद स्मॉल टॉकिंग ऑफ लव, उसके बाद स्पीच बाय आवर प्रिंसिपल सर, एंड नेक्स्ट welcome to all of you, including our necessary staff and PhD students. It is a matter of great privilege and honor for us to welcome our esteemed director of SCERT, that is State Council of Education.
Professor the Foundation and Bureau. Most respected Director SCRT Kanagar Bagrasar, accompanied by his official accountant Singh sir, my loved faculties, ministry staff, and PhD trainees of this Dait Pasika. In fact, it is a matter of immense pleasure and a great privilege on my part and on the part of the Dait Parivar of Pasika to extend warm welcome to new director on his maiden visit to this learning institute today. One of our trainees named Kamletan of fourth semester secured the maximum marks 99 out of 100. So it is a great memory, a landmark in the scenario.
डायरेक्टर सर हमारे लई बागरा सर, AP, CSK, SCRT के, यानी कि हम लोगों के डायरेक्टर हैं, हम लोगों के बॉस हैं, हम लोगों का आबू है। सो आप लोग सब ध्यान दीजिए, क्योंकि सर हम लोगों का जितना भी दुख तकलीफ है, आप ये कह सकते हैं कि जो हम लोगों को नीड्स है सर वो जरूर देखेंगे, क्योंकि हम उसके बच्चे हैं। तो हम सब जानते हैं कि जो बेसिक नीड्स है या रहने के लिए पढ़ने के लिए हम लोगों का आने वाला समय में हम लोगों को सपोर्ट करेंगे सर। और सर बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन है और डायरेक्टर सर हम लोगों का जैसे मैंने बताया APCS से ही आते हैं। तो हम लोगों का साथ में मुकेश सर भी है, आपको पहले भी बताया था। तो
of passing at night amongst son who is on the dais and my colleague Mukesh and all the faculties of this diet and all my brothers and sisters of this college students. First of all, my utmost respect goes to the faculty members and principal because the faculty members are the human beings who develop human resources. So this institution or institute is with Borders Bangladesh. And the faculty members or the teachers, I always consider them like a candle because candle used to burn itself to give a light to others. Likewise, the faculty members or the teachers, they used to suffer enormous problems to educate, to build you. So, I request my students to respect your faculties every time, and unless you have a respect to the faculties, you can't learn. So, as a students, your utmost priority should be the respect to the faculties, pray them, after that you will get your vision, you will achieve your visions. And faculty members are the nation builder. Without them, nation can't be built. All the doctors, I am not talking about this part only, I am talking about the general perceptions. All the doctors, engineers, and civil service officers, and even big entrepreneurs, they are the product of the faculty members. So, in this night also, all the students present here are grooming, nursing, nourishing by the faculty members to make your future life bright. After passing out of this institute, you will opt for the academic services for PhD teachers, this and that. So, if you learn, if you respect the faculty members, then only girls' hostel accommodation. Exactly what is the problem we have not highlighted. So I would like to know from our principal exactly what is the problem of girls' hostels. Renovation. After there is any green signal from the government, I will request the principal to submit a DPR. And secondly, college campus road. As per principal's submission, all the college campus roads are kacha roads. That's why, especially in the rainy season, the access is difficult. So this matter also I will take up with the government, and as and when there is any green signal from the government, I inform you to submit a DPR. And rising of boundary wall, this is also important. So this will also I'll take up with the government. And fourth is a joint director method. It is an establishment method. It is a policy method. This method is, I think, because of seniority issues, method is pending. Otherwise, it should not happen. So, I think there was a court case also. So that's why there is a pending. Actually, from the SRT office point of view, this has no problem. But issue is the cash.
Principal I Pasegar, respected Mukesh sir, accountant SART, my faculty colleagues, ministerial staffs, and students from both the semesters. I, on behalf of Dai Pasegar, express our thankfulness and gratitude to have you here, sir. Lee Banga sir, Director SCRT, Itanagar, on your maiden official visit to our institution to gather the grievances of the staffs and students of our institution. And we hope the matter could also be resolved soon. Thank you, sir, for your valuable advices to students and faculty members for communal harmony and unity, stress on discipline and hard working, and stress for willpower to something. The Dai Parivar Pasegar express our best wishes for your happy and safe journey to
propose la inama dom
Also, yang kabut student nila.
Pleasure in the job, put perfection in your work. Then